flock. Now repeat after me. Flock, flock. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning: a flock is a group of birds or animals, especially sheep, that move and stay together. It's commonly used to describe birds in flight or animals that travel in groups for protection or companionship. Flock can also be used metaphorically to describe a group of people moving together or gathering in large numbers. Think of it like this. A flock is a gathering, often moving in unison, whether it's birds flying together or people gathering at an event. In a sentence, a flock of geese flew over the lake, honking as they went by. Here, flock refers to a group of geese traveling together. Let's try another example. People flock to the concert, eager to see their favorite band perform. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using flock. Synonyms. Some related terms for flock are group, a number of people, animals, or things gathered together. Herd, a group of animals, especially mammals like cows or elephants. The opposite of flock, would be individual, a single being, not part of a group. Scatter, to separate and move away in different directions. Part of speech. Flock is a noun referring to a group moving together, typically birds or animals, but it can also be used as a verb meaning to gather or move as a group. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.